Done. This goes in here.
Which goes in there?
This goes in there.
That actually goes in the top drawer.
Oh, I thought it goes in here.
Thank you, dear.
Mama?
Yeah.
I love doing the dishwasher.
I'm glad you do. You're very good at it.
Normal spoons. So we can use the other pins that'll is here. Mama, I can do this all by myself.
Okay. Do you know where that goes?
No. Yeah?
Very good. Yes. Careful.